Earth Science is brought to you by Physics Classroom. The universe is composed of hot tiny particles mixed with light and energy. So after the single point stretched and expanded, the universe came to existence as the perceptible result of the Big Bang Theory. Now, it's quite hard to fully comprehend. No one of us can truly discern or explain in our level how high was the temperature in the universe right there and then, because predominantly nobody lived during that time. And apparently, that is the reason why Big Bang was called a theory. According to the Big Bang Theory and the beliefs of many scientists, there was light and energy, and both existed equally significant. One is as important as the other, and they are considered as one. What happened as the universe stretched or expanded? As the universe expanded, it cooled down. However, in the context of cooling, this was not like as what we know that can be touched or hold, because in the universe, what was cool is actually hot nevertheless. The temperature still is high, with most probably million or billion degrees. And what are the effects of that particular phenomenon that the universe is cooling down? Since the universe was said to be cooling down, particles in the space slow down and group together, forming light elements like hydrogen and helium. Atoms grouped together, forming stars, and because of the presence of gravity, galaxies were formed. So, that was apparently the scenario in the beginning. Do you think Big Bang was the only theory which was believed for the origin of the universe? Aside from the Big Bang, there are other theories, one of which is the oscillating theory. This theory agrees with the Big Bang theory. However, it was believed that if there's a period of expansion, there's also a period of contraction. And if there's the occurrence of the Big Bang, there's also what was called the Big Crunch. The other one is known as the steady-state theory. This theory has the following convictions. Universe already exists. Galaxies are not moving away from each other. Stars are formed in the center of the galaxies that spiral out of the center. Galaxies reabsorb energy given off by stars throughout their life cycle. Energy is reused to produce new stars. No expansion, no contraction. However, this theory failed to explain the cosmic microwave. And to substantiate the previously discussed concepts, let's think about this. How old is the universe as compared to other heavenly bodies? Based on the Big Bang theory that occurred 13.8 billion years ago, the universe is as much as old as when the Big Bang started. The solar system, being significant as comprising heavenly bodies like the Sun and the 8 planets, was formed 4.6 billion years ago. So by rough estimate or approximation, the universe is roughly or approximately 9 billion years older than the solar system. What is the solar system? What are the components of the solar system? Solar is a term which means sun, and the system consists of heavenly bodies attracted to the gravitational pull of the sun. Solar system is the gravitationally bound system of the sun and the objects that orbit or revolve around it. This consists of the sun, 8 planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, meteors. What are the hypotheses that explained the origin of the solar system? The first one was called encounter. The second one was called nebular. And the third one was called protoplanet. And as part of your performance tasks, research for the concept or content of the 3 given hypotheses and produce a video clip for each of the hypotheses.